just gotta get through, cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view.
Hey guys, nice to have you guys back. Greetings to everyone. Hope you guys are good. I'm doing great. It's not Xmas, but I can say season greetings to us since Xmas is coming soon. Okay guys, hope we are preparing for Xmas. Meanwhile guys, remember this leftover I showed you guys in my previous video that I stored in my fridge. So I said I'm going to be making a video with it, and I want to share it with you, my families in YouTube here. So this is me trying to share the products, the thing I made out of it. So I will make hair masks out of this leftover. Okay, don't throw away your leftovers, so because they are very useful. So this is me trying to strain the juice water out, and then I'll be mixing it with cornstrach. And cornstrach is also a very good item for our hair. It also helps our hair to has volume and also thickness, not weight, just thickness. Okay guys, so just keep watching. I hope you like and enjoy watching this video guys. Just give me your comment in the comment section and tell me what you like and what you don't like, so I can improve. Okay, you know, without you guys I can't go anywhere. Okay, so this is the chaff that we take off the juice water. Okay guys, that is the cornstrach that I talked about. Okay, I have to mix it with the water and mix everything together, then cook on a low heat so that it doesn't get burnt. We only want it to be like a paste, you know. After blending it with the water, it looks watery, and we are not doing a spray, we are doing hair masks. Okay, so cornstrach will help you to thicken the water and turn it into a paste, so you can be able to apply it on your hair. So keep watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you are new, and also share our videos so that those who want to grow their hair like us will also come in and learn one or twos. Okay, and go and try to their hair. Who knows, maybe it will work for them as well, because it's working for me. You know, hair growth is gradually by gradually. It can't just grow overnight, so you just have to be consistency on whatever you are applying on your hair, and I promise you your hair will grow gradually by gradually. So this is me turning it in the gas, turning it, and as you can see, it's almost turning into a paste. You don't need it to be so thicker, because when it's thicker you will have to add water and start making it to be lighter, so you can be able to apply it on your hair. So just make it a little bit lighter, so you'll be able to use it very well. Okay guys, keep watching, give us a thumbs up, share our video. Also, you can join our membership guys. You can join our membership, support your girl guys. Meanwhile, you know, in this channel we do things about hair remedy, hair growth, everything about hair, about hair, all about hair guys, we do in our channel. So oye chori igoro ishi, I should run and come. I know my hair is not long guys, but don't worry, I'll get there. Okay, it's just gradually by gradually. So this is me trying to apply it on my hair. I'm feeling how pasty it is guys. So after applying it on my hair step by step, I will just cover it with a sack and leave it for at least 30 minutes, and then wash it with any choice of my hair shampoo and conditioner, and then I will add oil or leave-in condition to moisturize my hair. guys, after washing your hair, you don't have to leave it dry, okay? This is why sometimes we have breakage of hair and some people have dandruff on their hair. That is because our scalp is very, very dry. Don't forget to always moisturize your hair, guys. Moisturize your scalp, because if you don't, it's gonna grow dandruff and also you will have breakage of hair. Okay guys, so this is me trying to apply it on my hair step by step, and my phone is even disturbing me here, but don't worry, finally we were able to do the whole recording, guys, because my phone is telling me memory full. And I was like, how come my memory full? Anyway, we still look for a solution and continue our video, because this video is very, very important for us. Anyway guys, this is how I applied it all through to my hair, and then I will cover it, wait for 30 minutes. Who knows, maybe I will just sit around, dance, I don't know, and wait for just 30 minutes, and then I'll wash my hair and moisturize it. So guys, this is me flaunting my hair, oh my god. Anyway, this is the outcome of me applying all of it, and then I cover it with a sack bag as usual, and then I'll go and do any other thing for like 30 minutes, and then I'll wash my hair. If you watched till now and you have not liked or subscribed, wait till they wait for. Give us like and share, and see you guys in the next one. Please don't forget to watch the previous.